friends, it's Gabrielle Ishell. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. Today I wanted to unbox a new toy that I have for my YouTube studio, for my YouTube filming, and for pictures and things like that for Instagram, TikTok, etc. So I'm excited to share with you guys the unboxing and the setup of my Neewer ring light. It's the 18-inch one, and I'm so excited. It was on sale. It's so funny because Raven Elise posted a video showing, well, she posted a video on YouTube and then something on Instagram just showing some of her Amazon favorites, and the Neewer ring light was one. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a ring light because I already have umbrella lights. I bought a camera last year. I still want to get a mic, but anyways, I looked it up on Amazon just to look, just to be curious. And then one day randomly I clicked on Amazon and it was like $50 cheaper than the normal price. So I'm like, oh yes, I'm getting this. I think it was actually $90. Let me see right now. It's originally at $159.99, and guess how much I paid for it? $67.99. That's almost $100 off. So you knew I was gonna get it. We all knew. $90 off? You can't beat that. Right now, I currently have my two softbox lighting. I'm gonna take a video so you can see what I'm seeing. But this is how it looks. I have this natural light in the back, and then I have the two softbox lightings, and then sometimes I put the ring light behind my camera for additional light. Anyways, let me show you guys the ring light I was using before. This is the ring light I started my channel off with. It's a small little mini ring light, and it has an adjustable stand / tripod. It has the little phone thing. It was perfect. It was only $40. This and my phone is what I started my YouTube channel off with. It's a small light, so I wanted to just upgrade it. I wanted to be able to take nicer pictures for Instagram and video. I want to start getting more active on TikTok. I was killing the game last year, but then it kind of died down because I wanted to focus more on YouTube. But now I want to see if I could juggle both again. So anyways, long story short, I got a Neewer ring light and I'm going to unbox it. So if you're interested, keep on watching. This comes with a carrying bag, a dimmable LED ring light head, instruction manuals, a white and orange color filter set, a smartphone holder, a charger with the US plug, a tripod head hot shoe adapter, and it also comes with a Bluetooth remote, a tripod stand, and flexible gooseneck. So first off, you want to make sure you unscrew all the knobs before putting excessive force because you don't want to break anything. You want to stretch the stand legs and lock the knob at the base of the pole to keep it in position. Loosen the adjuster to extend the tripod up to your desired height. Before you put the ring light on top of the tripod, you'll want to attach the filter. You want to start at the bottom of the ring light first, attach that filter, and then the other three filters in order. And you'll see, as I try to show you here, there is an indentation on each of the filters, so it clearly shows you how you're supposed to have them overlap and which order to put them on top of the ring light. Once you're done with that, you'll put the ring light on top of the tripod and you are basically all set to go. Now, in order to get your smartphone or your camera on top of the ring light, you'll want to slide the ball head into the ring light cold shoe and screw in tightly. And I'm showing a close-up of what you're supposed to do for this part because the names of these two pieces are a little weird, so just want to make sure you have the right piece. From there, you can screw the smartphone holder on the ball head and screw it very tightly just to ensure that your phone doesn't drop. And this is of course interchangeable with your camera. Most cameras have a little screw on the bottom of it. And then you just turn the light on. It is a dimmable light, so you twist the knob to control how much light you get. And obviously you want to adjust it to find the perfect setting for you. So this is the back camera with the dim all the way up, or it's not dimmed, the light all the way up. And this is with it dimmed all the way down. Checking on my watch to see what it looks like because I'm using the back camera. Now I'm using the flash on the back camera as well as the lights all the way up. Let's check it out. And then lights like very dim with the flash on. I'm gonna take some pictures too. So this is how it looks on the front camera with the light all the way up. I'm going to try to adjust it. See how it looks. I don't know. I don't know. I guess I just have to get the right setting. I like it a lot better with the camera than the phone. I don't know if it's just me having to find the right setting, but this, okay, let's see. This is with it all the way up. Just with it off. So you got some of the natural light coming in, but when the sun moves out the way, it'll be a little bit darker. Okay, so I like this. Now I'm going to do the ring light with my softbox lightings like this and see if that makes any difference. All right, you guys got to tell me because, okay, it's, wow, it's a lot brighter. A lot brighter, but also the sun is coming too, so that plays into it. Which is why I wanted to make sure I had a filming spot where I can have natural light coming in, because in the daytime this is beautiful, but at nighttime, you know, you don't get sunlight obviously, so you need more help with the lighting. So I do like this. I love that you can dim the light and make it as bright as you want, and whoo, this is blinding. But yes, I really do like this, and I'm going to obviously have to do a few more videos to really say whether I love this or not, but for the price that I got it for compared to what it's actually worth, I think this is really good. I really do like the Neewer 18-inch ring light. This is obviously an unboxing and first impression, so my thoughts may change in the future. I hope not, because it does look really nice and it adds a little to my videos, and I'm really excited to be adding this new piece of equipment to my YouTube studio. I think it's pretty straightforward to set it up, but there were a little nuances. Just make sure everything is screwed in, and I did not get this on camera. I turned it off right before the ring light actually fell over, but you want to make sure everything is tightened, because if you don't, the ring light literally flipped over, and luckily I didn't have my camera on it because it could have broke. So that's just one thing I wanted to say. Just make sure everything is tightened, because there's so many different knobs on here. And I didn't touch one, and it was the one that, like, the ring light's here and it just boom. So that's just one tip that I wanted to give. I hope you enjoyed me unboxing and setting up the ring light. And if you're looking into this, I think this is a great buy. Although I would try to wait for it to go on a deep discount or a deep sale like I got it for. It was like $67 versus it's on the market. I think it's originally $160. So I got it for really cheap, and I would suggest you maybe wait until it goes down a little bit in pricing, just because there are so many other things that you can use your money on, especially if you have a YouTube channel. You want to get a camera, you want to get a mic, you want to get a backdrop. Although I do have a video on how I made this backdrop for like $25. But you know, there's so many things that go into creating your YouTube studio. So I would definitely suggest you waiting until this light goes down even further, because I was definitely shocked. I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said before, I'm really gonna end this video now. I feel like the preacher who says in my closing, and then you say in my closing like 3 times. I've said thank you for watching this video so many times already. But I really do appreciate you watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next one, I will see you guys later. Bye.